Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show us how to solve this elementary probability question, a very easy one. But before that, please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. You can also leave a comment, we'll appreciate that. Now the question says two events A and B are such that the probability of A occurring is 1 on 5, the probability of B occurring is 1 on 3, and the probability of the intersection is 1 on 20. Find the conditional probability, that is, the probability that of A given B prime. So, to solve this, or to find the probability of A given B prime, we start by defining this probability the way it is supposed to be. We know that the probability of A given B prime is the probability of A intersection B prime. All this divided by the probability of B prime. Now, looking at these two, the question did not give us the result of this and the result of this. So we need to expatiate on it further. To do so, we know that the probability of A given B prime, the probability of A intersection B prime is the probability of A minus the probability of A intersection B. And the probability of B prime is 1 minus the probability of B. So now we have all that we need. We simply substitute the data given in the question. The probability of A was given as 1 on 5 minus the probability of the intersection, which is 1 on 20, divided by 1 minus the probability of B, which is 1 on 3. We simplify this and it gives us, here, we take the LCM for the numerator here, which is 20. So it gives us 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 on 20, divided by, down here we have 2 on 3. Simplifying this further gives us 9 on 40 as the expected answer. Thank you for your attention. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button.